so start with here. So you're going to start with the place that you'll be sewing on your right. So by not having this mass of fabric on the inside of your sewing machine. So you're gonna take your sewing machine and sew all the way over here, all the way around, making sure to clip at the corners. So you get nice clean corners. And then when you get to the center back, this is really important because this is actually pretty hard to get neat. What you have to do is check exactly where your center back ends, and there's supposed to be a notch on the pattern indicating where it's supposed to end. So I'll take my piping and make a little notch right here and cut it about 3 centimeters longer, like this. Then I want to take my cord out and cut it out at least 3.5 centimeters. Like this. So you'll notice that the cord is now shorter than where you notched it. So that'll make it a lot easier to do a super nice finish, because what you want to do is, let's say this is your right side, right, of the lining. You want to go ahead and fold the other side on top so that you have access to the seam allowance. Right here. Having access to the seam allowance means that you can place your piping on the notch and then sew it on the inside of the seam allowance when you get to that part. So it kind of disappears into the seam. You want to get this side of the piping to stop right here. So it's going to taper inside. So that's where you're going to pin it. And you'll be able to better control that when you get to the sewing machine. Here you go. So eventually you won't be sewing at 1 centimeter seam allowance anymore. You'll actually sew 1 cm and then kind of start sewing on top of this part right here. So as you can see right here, I'm approaching the seam, so the center middle, and I have plenty of visuals in this angle on where I need to sew this exactly. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my seam. And when I reach this, I'm very careful at pushing everything on the side because I don't want to catch anything else. I want to keep this other seam allowance available for my other piping on the other side. So I want to push it on the side and just keep this here. And then with my fingers, hold it in place so that it makes sense for me. And then when I reach right here, that's when I'll move a little closer to the seam so I can catch it. But I keep a visual, and I just move my fabric around, so I always have a visual on what is going on. Right there. Back stitch. Here we go. So, as you can see, it falls perfectly into the center of my opening. That's probably the cleanest that you can get with piping.